let me to introduce the Afghanistan wedding dance. We call this Dاماد dance. So be with me up to the end of video. You will be enjoy at the every moment of this beautiful wedding. Like the video. What do you think about Afghanistan wedding? Tell me in the part of comment section. The family make a circle and the dاماد and they start wedding. It's really cool. Can you tell me what do you think about the clothes of them, how they look like? I think he is her brother. The white clothes was dancing more beautiful. And one thing more, we call this song Qarsak. It belongs to Panjshir province. So yeah, that's the end of our video. Hope you like and enjoy from it, and make sure that you subscribe my channel and please like my video. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. And one thing more, I love you guys so much. Bye bye.